Introducing the SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener, a marvel in the sphere of home comfort that sets the benchmark with its cutting-edge technology. This phenomenal creation promises exceptional quality and efficiency, engineered to provide you with highest level of water purification. Utilizing advanced technology, it works to soften hard water, eliminating harmful minerals, and ensuring the longevity of your plumbing systems. This isn't merely a water softener, it's a revolution. With the SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener, your hard water worries will be washed away, marking the end of an era and the beginning of a future with softened water. Imagine a world where your water feels silkier, your appliances last longer, and those stubborn soap scum marks are banished for good. This isn't a far-off dream, but a tangible reality with the SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener. With its advanced features and innovative design, this device brings a new level of water softening to your home. At the heart of the SoftPro Water Softener is its high-capacity resin. This isn't your run-of-the-mill filtration material. This resin is designed to last, providing you with soft water for many years to come. But it doesn't stop there. The SoftPro Water Softener is also equipped with a smart self-adjusting system. This means it learns your water usage patterns and adjusts accordingly, saving you salt, water, and ultimately money. You might be asking, what about installation? Well, SoftPro has you covered. The SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener is designed for easy installation. With a detailed user guide and dedicated customer support, setting up your new water softener is as smooth as the water it produces. Now let's talk about the environment. SoftPro is committed to greener solutions. The SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener uses up to 75% less salt and 65% less water than traditional systems. That's not just great news for your wallet, but also for our planet. To sum it up, the SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener is a bold step forward in water softening technology. It offers high-capacity, long-lasting resin for superior softening, a smart system that adjusts to your water usage, easy installation, and a commitment to eco-friendliness. This isn't just another water softener. This is the SoftPro High Efficiency Water Softener, a game changer in home water treatment. So, say goodbye to hard water problems and embrace the silky smooth world of soft water with SoftPro. Trust us, your home and your planet will thank you.